The process for mixing ink for screen printing is the same, whether mixing ink for on-glaze or underglaze printing. However, with underglaze, a small amount of frit is added to help the print stick to the clay after the bisque firing. On-glaze ink is used to either print transfers or to print directly onto a glazed surface. It is fired to a maximum temperature of 850 degrees centigrade. Underglaze ink is used to print onto raw clay, or it can be used to print onto bisqueware. It can be fired up to stoneware temperatures. The extraction is switched on and gloves and mask are worn. On-glaze or underglaze powder is placed into a 200 mesh sieve. This is a slow process, but the powder must be sieved to allow it to pass through the screen mesh. Only when mixing underglaze ink should 5% frit be added to it. This must also be passed through the sieve. Some of the oil-based printing medium is placed onto the glass next to the powder. The medium shouldn't be added directly to the powder, as this could result in the colour becoming too diluted. The medium is gradually added to the powder. The finished mix should be somewhere between 1 part medium to 2 parts colour, or 1 part medium to 1 part colour. Any more medium than this would result in the colour becoming too diluted. As the medium and powder are slowly combined, the ink will gradually become more fluid. The finished ink should slowly run off the end of the palette knife. If all the medium has been added and the mix is close to 1 part colour to 1 part medium, it is probably better to add a small amount of thinners to the ink to make it more fluid, rather than to keep adding more medium, as this will only dilute the colour too much. The finished ink can be used straight away for printing or stored in a jar for use later.